Hello everyone! Man oh man, do I have something exciting to show you guys today. Here's the brand new Desert Environment by Troth. All the models are PBR and highly detailed, so you can easily use it in your first person or third person games. The pack is now available at devassets.com. As with everything else on the site, it's pay what you want. Everything you see on the screen now is rendered in Unity in real time using only the example scene that you get when you download it. We've been working crazy hard on this pack. Sam has put in countless hours in each and every one of these models, so we hope that you guys will support the project. If you want, you can grab the pack from the link in the description right away, but here's a short tutorial on how to get everything working in Unity in case you're in doubt. So to get started, open up your browser, go to devassets.com, click on the FPS environment. Here you can check out the screenshots and read a bit about it. And when you're ready, simply select the price and hit the blue button. It's going to download as a zip file, and when you unzip it, you should get this folder. Inside that, we have the models folder, which contains all of the individual FBX models as well as textures. In case you're using Unity, I recommend just double-clicking on the Desert Environment Unity package. This is going to set up and import everything, including an example scene, into Unity. So you can check out all of the elements that makes this pack. It does include a few things from the standard assets folder, so if you don't have that already, it's going to import it. So let's hit import. And you can see it's created a Desert Environment folder. Inside of this, we have some stuff for the example scene, all of our models neatly categorized, and most importantly, a prefabs folder which contains all of the different props and models with material, textures, and colliders already set up. I'm just gonna go ahead and open the example scene here, and right away we get this beautiful looking scene. And if we go ahead and hit play, we can see all of the different moving parts in our scene. We have a nice moving camera script, we have the leaves of the trees here blowing in the wind, we have some nice particle effects both for the fire and for the dust blowing by. If we jump into the scene view here, we can have a closer look at all of the different models. Again, if you want to add a particular model to your scene, simply go into the Desert Environment, go to prefabs, find the model you want. In my case, I'm just going to take the generator here and simply drag it into the scene. You can see that because we're using a PBR workflow, everything is just going to blend right out the gate. Because everything is so detailed and set up to scale, we should be able to just import a first-person controller. I'm just going to go import package and then characters. We can then simply go under the characters folder, go under first person character and drag one of these prefabs in. I'm just going to take the rigid body FPS controller here, drag it in. I'm also going to just move him up and rotate him a bit. Then replace the current camera with our main camera from this scene because this already has some nice looking settings. So just delete the old one, make sure to reference the new one. And on our camera, I'm just going to disable depth of field. We'll also just reset the transform of our camera and move it up, say 0.6. And finally, I'm just going to set our field of view to something like 60. And when we now hit play, we should be able to move around the scene. And you can see some of the objects even have rigid bodies on them. Pretty cool, right? So that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you will enjoy the pack. Now it's time for Sam and I to catch up on some lost sleep. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks to all of the awesome people who donated in January, and a special thanks to Derek Heemskirk, Faisal Marify, James Callahan, Robert Bonham, Peter Locke, and Jason Tito. If you want to become a patron yourself, you can do so at patreon.com/Brackeys. Thanks a lot, guys.